There's a girl back home I used to know who cried herself to sleep every night. We all knew. Only girl who would ever compromise, strike a deal with the devil to save the night. We all knew. She tried to call me a month ago to sing me a song that she just wrote, but I wasn't home. I should have known that time had taken its toll. She had no place to go. They found her body resting by the river. I never said goodbye. I wish I would have tried. I couldn't hear her cries as she filled her veins with lies until she's over. I remember we would hide behind the trees, smoking cigarettes till our throats would bleed. Those were the days, those were the days, yeah. Never scared, never worried that the summer would end. Invincible to every sharp bend. We drove so fast, thought it would last, but time had taken its toll. She had no place to go. They found her